Alright, so today we are going to be tearing down a VHS tape because, well, why the heck not, huh? So this is kind of a junk tape. It doesn't really matter what's on it. And this has been filled in and taken out and filled in and taken out over the years. It's a fairly cheap construction, I think. Let's get cracking. Where are the screws? Oh, here we are. Here's one. Thought that would have taken a bigger screwdriver, but no, whatever. Let's see, are there any other apparent screws on here? Oh, looks like it's at the beginning, I think. I don't know, it's been years since I've had to deal with this. Oh, it's partially coming apart. There's something in. Well, there might be. No. You know what, it might be these. These little things right here. Yep, won't have to worry about that. So some sort of retaining blah 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 with